Welcome to the channel that celebrates a personal and a global journey towards veganism. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on the 28th of July every year. It acknowledges the growing need to conserve the natural resources and ecosystems that play a vital role in maintaining the health of our planet. The well-being, even survival, of future generations depends on the choices we make today. This year's theme is Living Sustainably in Harmony with Nature. Veganism can be a key part of this lifestyle. Giving up animal-based meals and products is one of the most important ways that we can reduce our carbon emissions. A key goal of this year's campaign will be encouraging the use of sustainable packaging. We also need to remember the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, recycle, and to practice these in our everyday lives as much as possible. Reducing plastic use is especially urgent, as a recent survey reveals that UK homes are now binning 100 billion pieces of plastic every year.